everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to try out this teeth whitening kit, but for a week straight. So I've actually tried it out in one of my other videos, so I'm gonna link it up here. So go check it out if you want to. I've only tried it out once in this video, but it says if you use it for a week straight, like once a day, for a week straight, it gives you the best results. So I thought, why not try it out and give my best result I can. So if you open this up, it has 3 gels in here, some instructions, a color shade guide, and the mouthpiece. So I'm just going to put it all together and try it out. I've actually put it together and this is how it looks. Very simple, very easy. And it has this little button on here, and if you press it, the light turns on. So, oh, and that's the noise it actually makes if it's finished. So you're supposed to take half a syringe of gel and apply it. So let's just do that. I actually reviewed it, as I said, in one of my other videos, but I filmed this intro twice, so I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna take. But anyways, I've actually tried it out in one of my first videos, but I've only tried it out once, like one time. But this kit says if you use it for weeks straight, like daily, it gives you the best results, and I thought now it's the time to actually try it out. So let me just apply the gel. So I had this in for 10 minutes because it takes 10 minutes to lighten up your teeth. And then I realized I forgot to take it before. So let's just take this as they are right now after the first use and then after the last use. So I've got this little shade guide and I'm going to come close up to the camera and then we can have a look together. Okay, so that's how they look after the first time using it, and I'm going to tune in every day and do a little update, and then I guess at the end of this week we'll find out if it actually really gives you nice results after using it for a week. really can't talk today, but I really need to film this part because I'm currently waiting to upload. So, okay, focus right now. Anyway, as you could tell, I used this kit for a week straight, once a day. And now I really wanted to discuss a couple of cons and maybe a couple of pros. So I think starting with the pros, I actually saw a difference at the end of the week, and I think it's simple and easy to just do at home. And yeah, so very good product. But on the other hand, I really wanted to tell you what my cons are, and let's just start with the first one. It actually hurted my gums, and that was something that I didn't like at all, because if I brushed my teeth, my gums were so sensitive that it started bleeding and hurting and aching. So that was something I didn't like. And on the other hand, I felt it, that it was really uncomfortable to wear it like 10 minutes straight, because it's just such an unrealistic, like unnormal mouth position. You don't do it on a daily basis. But other than that, I think this experience was great. And what I really wanted to say is that I really couldn't tell a difference from day 1 to day 7, because I think I got used to it every day. But as a friend asked me if I actually saw a difference, I thought, well, actually I don't. But then I had a look from my first clip and my latest clip, my last clip, and I actually saw how much of a difference it was. So I'm just going to insert these pictures right here, and I think you could build your own opinion on that. I think for a bleaching kit at home, it's not professional, you're doing it yourself, I think this product is good. The only really bad thing I don't like about it is that the gel or the product actually attacks your gums. I think that shouldn't be happening. But at the end of the day, if you're really bothered by that, you should go to a place that can fix your teeth or brighten up your teeth. So yeah, I guess that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to follow me around on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel, and maybe follow me on my Instagram at Robson Amy, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!